Good morning, folks. We are in Kremlin Road in Pembine, Wisconsin. We've got a Canadian National, just the engine, folks, unfortunately, but it is a train. We are at a crossing I've never done, actually. I have been near this crossing, but I've never caught a train here. But let me show you guys. We have a moment here. There is the detection box over there. But it's this Kremlin Road. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get this. Try the best here, but it is Canadian National 5450, as I believe, seen from it just passed the one over at the one I normally do. I think it's in Pembine, so decided to scoot over here to catch it on Kremlin Road. I've actually wanted to try to do this crossing once, but I haven't ever had the chance to get down here to do this crossing. But yeah, but like, beautiful location. This actually is beautiful. Like, oh, there you go, guys. Like, so we're coming from that way. The way I'm looking at it, we're heading back to Powers. But look at this, beautiful. This is like actually like a nice crossing. Just the engine, unfortunately, folks, does not have a load along with it, unfortunately, which is the sad part. I would love to catch the load with it, but I believe they draw a couple alternate metal cars for the ELS. I didn't actually have a chance to look. We just saw that in Pembine and skedaddled over here. But yeah, this is a new crossing on the list here, folks. Here she comes. So we go around the curve here in 1 minute, folks, probably. A short one, folks, but there you go. Canadian National 5450 heading back to Powers, Michigan. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and as always, see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.